MiG-41, Russia's most lethal, 6th-gen superfighter jet. It's fast, it's deadly, and it's still mostly a shadow. The MiG-41, also known as the PAC-DP, is Russia's most secretive and advanced fighter jet project. Designed to replace the legendary MiG-31 Foxhound, the MiG-41 is set to redefine air combat with its rumored hypersonic speeds, spaceflight capabilities, and cutting-edge stealth tech. While China and the US push ahead with 5th-gen platforms, Russia is preparing to leap straight into the 6th generation, something that has shocked even top Western analysts. But how real is the MiG-41? What exactly makes it so terrifying? And if it's still under wraps, why are world powers already so worried? This is not just another upgrade, this is a potential game changer. Let's take a deep dive into Russia's deadliest secret in the skies. A new generation of Russian air power. Russia has a long history of pushing the limits of fighter aircraft design. From the MiG-21 to the MiG-31, the MiG series has been a backbone of Russian aerial strength for decades. But with the rise of stealth fighters like the F-22 and F-35 and China's Chengdu J-20, the pressure is on Moscow to stay ahead of the game. Enter the MiG-41. Announced in concept form by Mikoyan in the mid-2010s, the MiG-41 is meant to go beyond anything currently flying. It's designed not just for speed and power, but for survival and dominance in modern and even future battlefields. If delivered as promised, it could be the fastest and most advanced interceptor ever built. While much of the MiG-41 specifications remain classified, enough information has leaked to get a clear picture of what Russia intends to build. Hypersonic speeds, stealth, space capabilities, and even drone integration. This is a fighter meant to control the skies well into the 21st century. Hypersonic speed and performance. One of the most shocking features of the MiG-41 is its expected speed. Reports suggest it could reach speeds of Mach 4.3 to Mach 5. That's nearly double the top speed of the MiG-31 and faster than any fighter currently in operation. This kind of speed isn't just for show, it's a strategic asset. A jet moving that fast can respond to threats almost instantly, covering thousands of kilometers in just minutes. This speed also enables the MiG-41 to intercept hypersonic missiles and stealth aircraft. In fact, Russian sources claim the jet will have anti-satellite capabilities. That means this isn't just a fighter for today's wars, but one designed to confront threats in near space, a level of warfare we haven't even fully entered yet. To achieve such performance, the MiG-41 will likely require a new generation of engines. Some rumors point to an advanced version of the Izdelia 30 engine, currently being tested on the Su-57. Others suggest it may rely on a ramjet or scramjet propulsion system, which could give it true hypersonic capability. Stealth and radar avoidance. Speed alone doesn't win battles anymore. Stealth is key, and Russia knows it. The MiG-41 is expected to feature an advanced stealth profile that dramatically reduces its radar cross-section. Unlike the Su-57, which has a blend of stealth and maneuverability, the MiG-41 is built with stealth in mind from the start. It's expected to use radar-absorbing materials and an internal weapons bay to hide its missile payloads. This design prevents radar waves from bouncing off external pylons, keeping the aircraft harder to detect. Combined with its speed, the MiG-41 could get in and out of contested airspace before enemy radars even notice it. There are also indications the MiG-41 will feature advanced electronic warfare capability. This could include digital radar jamming, decoys, and signal scrambling, making it even more difficult to track or engage. It's not just fast, it's slippery. Weapons, systems, and armament. The MiG-41 is not just a high-speed ghost, it's a flying arsenal. It's expected to carry a wide range of weapons, including long-range R-37M missiles capable of hitting targets over 300 km away. This gives it the ability to strike before the enemy can even respond. Hypersonic missiles may also be part of its loadout, allowing it to target high-value assets like AWACS or refueling aircraft. Some Russian officials have even hinted that the MiG-41 could carry laser weapons or directed energy systems in the future. While this may sound futuristic, Russia has been actively researching military laser systems, and the MiG-41 could become one of the first platforms to field them. In addition, the jet may carry anti-satellite weapons, including specialized missiles that can operate in low Earth orbit. This makes the MiG-41 a potential space combat platform, something no other operational jet can claim. AI integration and drone swarm command. One of the most jaw-dropping features expected in the MiG-41 is its deep integration with artificial intelligence. This isn't just about basic automation. We're talking about an onboard AI that can analyze radar threats, track enemy fighters, manage electronic warfare systems, and even assist in choosing the best weapon to fire. At hypersonic speeds, human reaction alone isn't enough. The MiG-41's AI will help the pilot process battlefield data in real time, making lightning-fast decisions that could mean the difference between victory and disaster. But the real game changer is the MiG-41's rumored ability to control drone swarms. These aren't your average UAVs. These will be advanced, semi-autonomous wingmen that can scout enemy positions, jam enemy radar, or launch precision strikes, all under the command of the MiG-41. The fighter jet won't just fly solo, it will lead an entire network of machines working together, like a digital wolf pack. In essence, the MiG-41 becomes a flying command center in the middle of the fight. This shift to AI-assisted, networked air warfare is a defining trait of sixth-generation fighters. The US is chasing similar goals with its NGAD program, but Russia's push with the MiG-41 suggests it's racing just as hard into the future. By blending machine intelligence with deadly speed and firepower, the MiG-41 is more than a fighter jet. It's the nervous system of an aerial war machine. If these systems come online as planned, they could change the way air battles are fought forever. Space warfare and strategic reach. Perhaps the most ambitious feature of the MiG-41 is its supposed ability to conduct operations in near space. Russian sources have claimed the aircraft could fly at altitudes of 100,000 feet or more. At that height, the MiG-41 would be able to intercept satellites or hypersonic missiles before they reach their targets. Such capabilities would give Russia a strategic edge, especially in the age of space-based surveillance and weaponry. As countries race to develop space forces, having an aircraft that can reach and operate in that domain gives Moscow a powerful card to play. This isn't just science fiction. Russia has been investing heavily in its space and missile defense systems, and the MiG-41 fits neatly into that vision. Whether it's targeting an incoming missile or blinding a spy satellite, the MiG-41 could be the first fighter jet with true space combat capability. Development timeline and secrecy. The MiG-41 remains one of Russia's most tightly guarded projects. Mikoyan confirmed the project in 2018, stating that design work was underway and a prototype could be expected by the mid-2020s. However, very few official images or specs have been released, fueling speculation about the program's true status. Some analysts believe the MiG-41 may still be years away from actual flight. Others think that elements of it may already be undergoing testing in secret. Russia has a history of surprise military rollouts, and it's possible we could see a working prototype sooner than expected. What's clear is that Russia sees the MiG-41 as a strategic investment in future air dominance. Whether it arrives in 2025 or later, it's being designed to outclass anything in the sky not just now, but for decades to come. Outro. The MiG-41 is not just a jet, it's a warning. A hypersonic, stealthy, AI-driven interceptor capable of operating in space. It represents a bold vision of the future, one where speed, technology, and versatility define the battlefield. While much remains secret, what we do know is enough to send a chill down the spine of rival nations. If even half of its rumored capabilities are realized, the MiG-41 will change the rules of air combat forever. Stay tuned because when this jet finally breaks cover, the world will be watching the skies very closely. If you found this video interesting, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more high-intensity defense stories.